Hi, Kim Hester here from BuildYourHolisticHealthBiz.com. And in this video and the future videos, we're going to start to dive a little deeper into blogging. Blogging is not hard to do, and with this amazing platform that we have, you'll begin to see that it's really simple to set up and get going on this powerful viral blogging platform. But the thing is, there's a right way to blog and a wrong way to blog, and a lot of people, including myself, started to blog and started to do it incorrectly. And it's all about learning and getting better. But in these videos, our objective is to help to shorten the learning curve for you and get you to blog efficiently and effectively, and most importantly, correctly. But before we get into the beginning training, I'm just going to go briefly back over on how to access and customize your blog. So I'm going to log in here and log into our Empower Network back office. And you can close any of these boxes out. Then you go right up here to View, Edit My Blog. In the previous videos, I went over how to create and map a domain name. Okay. So then once this loads up, you're going to hit this plus sign, and this is where you will be able to access your blogs. Okay. As you can see, I have quite a few, and you can have up to 10. You pick the blog that you want to work on, and then you click this drop down arrow or the plus menu, and this is where you can customize the background color, the link colors, article colors, which is all down here. You can customize the colors, navigation bar. You can select the links at the top over here. See, I have home, testimonials, about us, and this is where I added that. You have SEO options, footer data that you want at the bottom of your blog, which is all the way down at the bottom. Down here, you can play with this. This is pretty self-explanatory. Page customization. You create static pages, which are basically these pages that I created here. You can create static pages and link them anywhere. And these are pages that will not change. With a blog post, with each date, a new blog is added to the top, and then the later posts are pushed down to the bottom. But with a static post, you can create a page that won't change in terms of date and put it anywhere on your a navigation bar. But custom domain, I went over that. Theme picker, you can change the theme of your blog. They give you various options. And then this is also where you would delete your blog if you wanted to do that and create a new one. And the last part about customizing the blog is your banners. To customize this banner, you just have to edit, upload image, click that link, and these banners are clickable, so you can put a title and the destination URL. So when someone clicks this is where they go. And to change the image, you just edit, upload image, and you pick the image from your hard drive. And right here, this is the dimensions of the photo. And I did mention before, I went to a site called Fiverr.com, which I'll go over here, Fiverr.com. You can create a free account, and you can find someone to create a banner for you for $5. Okay, and same thing with these banners over here. You can edit them. This is the dimensions right here. This is the URL that it's going to, and the same thing for the bottom banner. You just edit it, and this is the dimension for this banner. And then same thing, title, destination URL, and you edit the image by clicking on it. So that really briefly is just a little quick run through of how to customize your blog. Okay, very, very simple to do. Shouldn't take you that long. You shouldn't be spending a lot of time on the technical stuff, because that's not what's going to drive you customers. Okay, so the next thing I want to touch on in the beginning of these blogging basics is you want to blog the right way. A lot of times when people blog, they think just putting information out there is going to get them customers. But the thing is, the first goal is you need to have a goal in mind. You need to have the end result in mind before you even write the blog. So the first thing is determine what you want the blog post to do. Okay, do you want it to make a sale for you? You can drive a visitor straight to something in the blog post that you're selling, especially if it's something useful, it's solving a problem, it's value for that person who needs the product or service that you're selling. You can generate a lead from your blog post. So when a visitor comes to your blog, you ask them to, hey, leave your email. If you like this information, hey, leave this email for additional information, and you add them to your list. And then you can also connect the person to one of your social network pages. Hey, follow me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter, and then you can build a relationship that way. So an example would be, if this article is valuable to me, to you, and you want to connect with me personally, you can do so by putting your best email on the next page, or click below and enter your email information, and I'll send you some powerful information on X, Y, and Z. So the most important thing is, what do you want your blog post to do? Don't just blog about some useful information with no call to action or no direction. If you want to get a lead, then direct them. If you like this post, click your link below and enter your email information in, and I'll be sharing additional information with you. Or like Jamal and I do, we give away freebies. Hey, for this free book on the 7 most popular foods to avoid, click the link below and enter your email address. And that's a way for us to develop a relationship down the road. But I gave something free and of value in exchange for the email, and that seems to work um, a lot. That seems to work easier for us, to give something away, to give them a value that is relative to our target market. Okay, so I'll get in more into the capture pages and all that stuff in future emails, but just know that when you blog, determine what you want your blog post to do. It's not just enough just to write a little blog, not even a little blog, but to write a blog and you don't have any direction with it. Okay, so stay tuned for the next email. We'll keep diving deeper, layers, peeling back the layers of how to blog the correct way. Okay, so stay tuned for future emails.